If you're facing a lot of problems and difficulties with your partner, your romantic partner, then this video will help you to solve almost all your problems. So watch the video till the end for all the guidance and awareness. Hi my beautiful souls, I am Bithika. Welcome to my channel. Now, people in my channel, in my DM, often ask me questions about relationship and the hardship that they are facing. So today I will point out some of the questions about the problems and how you can practically deal with it by your own self. Now, relationship is a very complex process because it's the two mind coming at one place, and there are two different complex brain working towards a similar goal or individual goal. But our partners are our mirrors. Good, bad, whatever you label. Our partner is an epitome of our self-correction, self-improvement, self-understanding, and self-realization as well. So if we shift our perspective from having difficulty with our partner to the perspective of how we can become a better version of ourselves by this mirror, this absolute mirror of our partner, then it's a game changer. Let's take some very few common problems that couples mostly face. I've received one comment where one of my subscriber mentioned that she feels very insulted by her partner. The partner keeps on insulting now and then. And it really breaks somebody's heart when you love somebody and they insult you. This is a point where you must stop and reflect back without banging your head in the wall or blaming the person. And what to reflect here? Do I respect myself enough? Do I respect my boundaries? Do I respect my own way of being? Because a person who have proper self-respect, they respect themselves. And when they respect themselves, the world respect them. But if you have self-insult tendencies, where you do things and then you bang your head on the wall, why I did it, self-guilt, self-shame, self-disrespect, you put a boundary and then you break your own boundary. Are you respecting your boundaries? No. So when we do all these things with ourselves unconsciously, most of the time, it is a reflection by the outside force, that is our immediate partner, romantic partner, to reflect that back. They constantly insult you to tell it to you that you don't respect yourself enough. Our partner is a prominent reflection of our inner world. However your partner behaves with you is a perfect reflection of how your inner world is. And it is giving you a scope for self-correction. So check, do you respect yourself enough? Do you have the tendency of self-insult by doing something and then just feeling guilty about it? Unconsciously, you smile in the face, you make sarcasm in the face, but deep down you insult yourself. And hence, the partner is reflecting it back. The second thing, my partner do not give value to my opinion. They do not take my feedback. If I give some value, if I give some opinion, they do not take it. Reflect back. Do you value your own opinion? Do you listen to your own self, or you're always convinced by what others are telling and you value your opinion based on other people's validations? If you value your opinion, you will never need validations from the others. What will come from the other, you will take it just as a feedback. But you value your own opinion, you value your own feedback. Once you have given a feedback to your partner, you will stop your brain right then and there. Why? Because the word that you have spoken is of value. because you believe it. And you're done giving the feedback. You will not stop by to take the validation whether your partner is valuing it or not valuing it. But if you're stopping by and pausing back and wanted to reflect that this person is valuing or not valuing, in this case the person do not value the feedback, opinion, that means you are not confident about your own values. So your partner is completely reflecting you back that you don't value your own opinion and feedback, so you need a validations from me. Your partner is telling that I should say yes or no. If I'm saying, if that person is not validating your opinion, that means you're not. If that person is validating your opinion, that means you also validate your opinion. So it's all about the self. Third, my partner don't give time to me. Very common problem. What you need to reflect here? Why I need time from others. Am I not happy with my own company? A person who is not happy with their own company need people and their time, need. The time given by others must come in a very free-flowing, must come in a very reluctant, natural way. It must not come out of your need. The moment you need somebody's time is when you're giving out the frequency that I don't enjoy my own company. I am bored by myself. You are bored with yourself. Just imagine you're expecting the other person to come and entertain you and give you time. You're such a boring person to yourself. You're also boring to the other person also. That's why they're not coming and giving you time. A person who do not enjoy their own company, no one enjoys their company, and that's why they are not given time by their loved one also. So start enjoying your own company. Find your hobbies, self-reflection. Start saying happy by yourself, and then you will see this partner is just running behind you. Because you don't need them anymore, need their time. You are so self-entertaining that they will come to you just to take your entertainment. You are bored by yourself, they will also be bored by you. They are also bored, actually bored. So that's how self-reflection works, that's how self-work works to attract people in life. Fourth, craving for your partners. Craving to have them in life, craving for their time, craving for their attention, craving for their validations. This craving is giving you a signal that seeking quick pleasure to feel void. Craving is basically seeking a quick pleasure. How? You are craving for pizza, you're craving for burgers. Certainly you're not hungry. Certainly you know these are not good for your health, but you're craving for it. You need a quick dopamine to fill a void. So you're craving for them. When you know you have a partner, when you know they're in your life, when you know, I am so sure about this person, you will never crave for it. Do you crave for dal chawal? Do you crave for your basic food? No. You know it's there. Why are you treating your partner to be a pizza, burger, a fried chicken? Treat them as dal chawal, which they are. Basic necessity. Having each other, of course I'll have them. Why will I crave? Because the more you crave, what you crave doesn't come from your highest self. It comes to fill a void. And your partner understands that this person is trying to fill their own void, so they're craving for me. Why will I give them the time? Let them loop. Let them just go round and round. Number 5. I often get questions that my partner want to get rid of me. Are you too clingy to them? Because if you are, they will certainly want to get rid of you. Everyone needs their own space. You feel like you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Are they your slave? They will stand up and sit down on your wanting and non-wanting? No. If you're too clingy, people will try to get rid of you. When there is a small insect try to cling to us, what we do? Shoo, shoo, shoo. it happens. It is the energy, it's the energy that how it works. Your energy is so much of clinginess that people will try to get rid of you. Anything you try to cling, it will try to get rid of you. You try to cling to feel void. You try to cling to out of fear of rejection, out of fear of abandonment, out of fear of losing, out of fear of control. Just see why you are clinging. If they're trying to get rid of you, just tell it to yourself, I am being too clingy. Why am I being clingy? Because all of this reason. Then see how things changes. This is called self-reflection. That's exactly what I teach in my channel. If you need my help, you can also reach out to me on this email ID flashing on your screen, because I help you one-on-one. I have a 4-week coaching program, 3 months and 6-month program as well. You can sign up. I can guide you more in a depth way one-on-one. Now, let's move on to the next point. Number 6. In relationship, a lot of people face problem of commitment. No commitment. The guy or the girl is not giving you commitment. They just want to be not commitment. Commitment is choosing, not wanting. A person can want you, but be with them who choose you. And why they will choose you? And why they are not choosing you? Because you are not choosing yourself, that's why. You're choosing that person, and that person is choosing that person. You choose you, they will choose you. Simple. And choosing is commitment. The moment you will start choosing yourself, your own happiness, your own state of mind, your own boundaries, just see how they choose you. The game is not like that. The game is all about the self. The reality is a reflection. It will reflect you back in person, situation, circumstance, society, everything. Next thing, and the last thing. Everything was so good in the beginning, but eventually things turned out to so sour. What he or she used to see me in the beginning, butterflies in the stomach. But now, things are falling apart. Things are so opposite. Why? What to reflect here? When you expose your authenticity, be it chaotic, be it no more self-esteem, be it negative, when you expose, there are very few people who will choose you, because there is mutual growth. In most cases, most people, be it relationship also, will run away from you when you expose your authenticity. Just know that these are not your people. These are not your person. These are not the one to stay with for long run. That's it. And yes, the last one, which I forgot to mention, is there was a comment on my videos telling that my boyfriend or husband or girlfriend, whatever, they speak wrong about my family members, and I feel so hurtful about it. Why? There are many possibilities. First, when the communication in the beginning of the communication, maybe you have exposed different parts of your family members to them because you felt something wrong, they have treated you in a certain way, and you have complained to them, or you have explained or exposed your own insecurities with them, and they have got the idea of each of the people. If a person do not have any idea about a person or a situation, they cannot cook up things. So just check in the beginning where things went wrong. What you have discussed about your own family members to them. What was your story? Because most of the time in the beginning, just to gain sympathy, just to keep ourselves in the forefront of, oh, we are so right and people have done so wrong with me, my family members and everybody, we speak a lot of things to outsiders, because in the beginning they are outsiders. And now when you're engaged, when you're married, they have the scope to bring all those things you have spoken to them in the beginning. Because no human being can cook up story by their own until they have an initiation of something, or until they know that these family members are your soft point, soft corner. So, if we just go round and round and see, everything is the self. Everything, every particle is the self. This me you're watching this video, this is also you. The part of you who wants to give you advice for the things that you're facing in life. So you manifested. So you found my video. So you're receiving it. It's not me. It's you. That's how the collective works. So if you're in problem, you will always find solution through videos, through people. You will randomly meet people. Mysterious world. Thank you so much for watching. If you need my help, you can reach out to me. And yes, thank you so much for subscribing my channel, to all these amazing new subscribers who have subscribed. And thank you for watching. Love and light to you all. Take care. Bye-bye.